Hi, I want to talk about the digital dual feed foot. This looks like a monster, doesn't it? Now, many of you probably have a walking foot with your machine, and when you use a walking foot, you'll notice that it bounces across your fabric. It walks across, but it walks with a pretty good trot, right? This one is called the digital dual feed foot, and the reason it's called that is because it has a belt. That belt under there will guide your fabric. It doesn't have to hop, it guides it. And right here on the side, you can see that if I have it on that position, the belt is down. If I don't want the belt touching, then I can put the belt up or down or up. Now, how do you get this thing on the machine? You notice you have to plug it in the back, and that's good. But what you'll do is you'll remove your ankle shank, and this will just slide up right in place of that ankle shank. And that is how easy and fun to use. If you're doing Minky, this is the guy you need to be using.